Hey guys, welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Do you want to protect your rig without breaking the bank? In today's video, I'm showing you 5 essential armor mods that'll defend your Toyota Tacoma from rocks, ruts, trail rash, and parking lot fiascos, including a few DIY upgrades you can install this weekend. Let's start with something no one else is doing. DIY magnetic trail armor for the 4th Gen Toyota Tacoma. That's right, no one makes this for the new Tacoma, so I made my own. Now I grabbed some magnetic sheeting off Amazon, traced out my door and fender panels, cut them to fit, and painted them with Rust-Oleum. Gloss black, not fancy, not pretty. But when you're scraping through branches, thorns, or tight tree lines, this armor saves your paint. The great thing is it is removable. Once you're off the trail, stow it away. I used a tarp and bungee cords. Now you definitely don't want to have this on while you're going down the highway. The truck bed and hood are aluminum, so the magnetic sheets won't work there, which is why I'm thinking of covering the entire bed in Xpel armor film instead. This DIY mod isn't meant for show trucks. It's meant for getting out in the trail with worrying about pinstripes or side scratches. Seriously, no one made this for the 4th Gen Tacoma, so I made it myself. This mod is for the real trail dogs. If you want your rig protected and you're not afraid to DIY it, this one's for you. Next up, Ark Splash Guards. This mod does more than just look rugged. It protects your engine bay from mud, rocks, and whatever else the trail or the highway throws at you. Installation was a breeze. The OEM protectors are basically paper thin, so I pulled them off and bolted these in. Everything lined up perfectly. The material is tough, rugged, and built to take a hit. Ark includes solid instructions, and although you don't have to, I'd recommend removing the tire, especially if you don't have a lift. It makes the install 10 times easier. Bottom line, these guards offer real protection for your engine bay, not just a cosmetic upgrade. I sure am happy with the fit, finish, and functionality. This is a must-have mod if you're taking your Tacoma off on the trail. If you're into Tacomas, this channel is for you. We cover it all: mod installs, real-world testing, electrical walkthroughs, dealership pricing, even recall updates. All Tacoma, all the time. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a thing. The next mod was inspired by something I saw at a dealership, and honestly, I almost walked away with the truck because of it. They had a 3rd Gen Tacoma with this slick rear quarter panel wrap. It looked like factory armor, aggressive, rugged, and just clean. I love the look so much, I almost pulled the trigger on it. But I ended up with the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter, and I knew I had to armor it up properly. That's where Xpel armor film came in. Now I had to remove the tail light. It's easy, 2 10mm bolts, and it'll pop right out. I measured 7 inches from the bottom of the flare and 7 inches forward from the edge of the tail light and marked it with painter's tape and got to work. The final look, it gives that same tough armored feel like it's built for battle. But this isn't vinyl. It's a paint protection film that's nearly invisible and protects your paint from trail rash, rocks, and gear rub. If you want real-world protection with a clean tactical finish, this is the move. It feels like trail armor because it is. Next up on our armor mod list, ceramic coating. Armor isn't just steel and skid plates. Sometimes it's the shine that stops the scratches. That's where Cerakote ceramic coating comes in. Now installing Cerakote is surprisingly easy, and it gives your paint a deep gloss and long-lasting protection against UV, trail dust, bird droppings, and whatever your off-road weekend throws at it. Step 1, get your truck spotless. I hosed it off, surgically clean. This is key. Ceramic bonds best to paint, not dirt. Step 2, apply Cerakote in small sections. Dab a little onto the applicator pad and work in a crisscross pattern, side to side, then up and down. Step 3. Wait 5 minutes, and then channel your inner Karate Kid. Small, gentle circles with a microfiber towel. Wax on, wax off. The result? A mirror-like shine and a hydrophobic finish that helps mud, water, and trail dust roll right off. Made a mistake? No sweat. Just grab some Adams polish, pick up a buffer, apply a little polish, buff it out, and reapply the Cerakote. It's really forgiving. Now, if you want your ceramic coating to last, you've got to hand wash your truck. Or if you go to a car wash, make sure to ask the attendant to turn off the brushes. They will absolutely tear up your ceramic and your paint. I always do this anyway because I'm a bed rack, but it also protects the coating and keeps that shine alive. So for less than $100 in one weekend afternoon, you get a layer of paint armor that makes your Tacoma shine like it just rode out of the showroom and holds up when things get dirty. The trail is unforgiving. Mud, rocks, water, and sand. Don't care if your truck has a fancy trim or not. And let me show you what I mean. Look at these floor mats after a solid off-road run. The factory trail hunter mats, not even close to this kind of protection. Toyota gave us some nice looking mats in the trail hunter, but let's be real, the coverage just isn't enough. Gaps around the edges, weak heel protection, and mud can easily spill over. That's why I upgraded to last fit floor mats. These things are laser measured but flexible, and they offer full coverage in all the right spots, including the center hump and rear footwells. Whether you're daily driving or getting dirty every weekend, these are one of the best upgrades to keep your interior trail ready and protected. Bonus, I even added a trail hunter badge on mine to give it that OEM look. What are your armor mods on your 4th generation Toyota Tacoma? I would love to hear about it. Let me know down in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe, share, like, and hit that notification bell, and we will see you next time.